This meeting is being transcribed and summarized.
Good morning, how's everyone doing? Well, so we got NFP. So let's mark up gold here again, and we'll do NAS. All right, we're still bullish overall. And here we have the previous daily candle low. And we got the previous daily candle high. Take a look at the weekly here. Previous weekly candle low. That's a weekly support. Go back to the daily here. Got the daily support here. Take a look at the, actually I'm going to mark up this daily demand here. Where is it? Take a look at the 4 hour. Got the 4 hour support. Oh, what did I miss on the weekly? Okay. This right here. Ooh. Current weekly candle high. Okay. Look at the 1 hour. Alright, so 1 hour got this support. Resistance here. And 30 minutes. Alright, good there. 15. Alright, so all we have to do now is to wait for this news. But without the news, I'll be looking for sales. So we'll see what happens once we get the news. NQ. This thing freaking tanked. Ooh, snap. Man. Okay, so NQ on the daily bearish. So we've definitely broken below this previous daily candle low. So look at the previous daily candle high. Look at the weekly here. Previous weekly candle high. And I'm just gonna mark up the weekly zones that I see here. Weekly support. And the weekly support there. Look up this daily resistance. 4 hour.
That was a nice trader.
Yeah, it was. Oh, you wrote it down? Oh,
Down
I
because
didn't
I was
close
just
it.
trying to get the days max and then we know on my futures. That was only I just moved it, and stuff. It's a nice one.
We got a 1 hour support, supply here. And we got a resistance. Take a look at the 30-minute. $15. Okay. The 30. Mark up this steady supply. We can just use the 15. All right, back to gold because we're not trading. We're not trading NQ until after NYSE. Dex, IMAX, we'll see. You mean is GC same as gold forex? The chart just looked different. You're still trading gold. you doing, Josiah? Oh, well, we're quiet. Hi, Lucy. There's something. Oh yeah, this is better. Good, yeah. NFP in 12 minutes. And it's gonna be so small. YouTube, do we keep the screen like this? The way I had it before. Let's see. You want to see both of them? Okay. Before was cool. Okay. All right. You guys prefer this one better. We'll wash out everyone account and then we'll start biggest beer rally. Yeah, with the news, I'm actually now that we're pushing up here. I am kind of anticipating that we're either gonna go back up to that resistance or tap this supply here. Or reject this supply here. Or with news this thing could just straight tank. We'll see. We'll find out in 7 minutes. Pretty much. We'll find out in 7 minutes. I'll be right back, guys. Gonna mark up this 5-minute demand here. Coming from a previous weekly support. Weekly support, 2 more minutes and 10 seconds before the moment of truth. Right, almost here. 30 more seconds.
Ah, you're on YouTube.
Yeah, I'll give them CPI and NFP days free. Oh man, I wanted you to go back up, Gold. Bummer. What's Nas doing? Okay.
Oh shit. Big green for the dollar. Forecast 137, actual 228. Basically double.
A good shit fall. Oh, unemployment rate is not good though.
Yeah, but it's only 1% difference. That one's like double.
True.
Oh yeah, and there's Powell too. Damn, there's Powell. Shit.
I mean, he's not speaking until, shit, what, 3 hours from now?
Yeah.
Oh man, Go might decide to wait. Who knows?
Yeah, it could be. Could turn into a super big doji.
Because it's not even doing anything right now. Even with NFP.
Yeah.
We'll see. Maybe he's just taking his time. And YouTube is super quiet this session. This was good or bad for gold? It was good for the dollar. So, since the news was good for the dollar, then you would expect gold to drop. Oh no, Verdugo, it's just for NFP and CPI. That's it. On YouTube, just NFP and CPI. Maybe pump and dump. Yeah, that's actually what I'm anticipating. Fake, then correction. We'll see. Yeah, that's true, Terrell. The last two NFP didn't move the market. That's true. But then again, of course, you expect today to be different because of, Trump's speech happened this week. So you would expect that today's NFP will move the market, but it's not. GTE just blew an account. Well, I mean, shit, it happens. I mean, he's got multiple payouts, so it happens.
God bless him.
You said what?
I said, God bless him.
Yep.
Not a bad thing to say.
Been here for 3 months. Fly mate, keep streaming for us. Let's win and lose together. If we have no go trade by the time NYSE opens, then we're gonna start watching NAS. Now, I'll be expecting to catch quick buys on NAS since we pretty much rejected the previous weekly support. It is possible that we could go up from here, then so pretty much pump and then dump. So I'm hoping we'll be able to catch the pump, and I'll pretty much like to see it come back to this 5-minute demand, pretty much back to the lows. We have a 15-minute demand also, but the 15-minute demand is too close to these possible highs we're creating now. So if we do create this high, then I will expect us to come back to this 5-minute demand at least, and then we can have this possibly. So, and who knows, we might not even break this previous weekly support. We could grab on 30 also on 1 hour. 4 hour hasn't closed yet. We'll see how this 4 hour closes. And if we break this low, then hey, we look for sales. So the buys, if we do get it, it's just gonna be quick buys pretty much. Or you can call it short-term buys on NQ. Okay, looks like volume coming in. Do me a favor, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. if this low, right, if pretty much this previous daily candle low, if we had taken this high out, meaning if we had closed above this high, even though we are coming down, I'll still be looking to take buys, possibly at this 15-minute demand. But since we rejected, I'll still be looking for sales. And if we get a liquidity grab below this previous daily demand, rejecting this daily demand, we can look to take quick buys. How old am I? Well, I'll be 40 this year. Damn, Jasim, it was funny. You don't believe me? I don't blame you if you don't believe me. You won't be the first one. And you won't be the last, for sure. Shit, I'd rather tell people I'm freaking 20 than tell them I'm 40. Man. Yeah, I was thinking volume is coming.
I mean, I think that candle's pretty big.
Yep.
Ah, it's gonna do a giant doji.
I mean, I don't think so. It's about to close.
1 minute. 1 minute, Abe. Enough time.
What year did I start trading back then? The first time I ever did anything in regards to trading was 2016. That was the first time that I ever, even though I didn't know what I was doing, 2016, man. I didn't know what I was doing at all. And I didn't care. I just want to take the signal. Man. I'll be sitting up waiting for freaking signal. To be honest, I really didn't take trading serious until 2018. Pretty much.
Ah, snap.
Did I find God through the trials of trading? I mean, I already knew God before that. What you should ask me is, when did I get him involved? That should be the question. When did I get him involved? 2021, actually.
How is he? Is he good at trading?
Oh man, the master. I know, right, Didi? You're welcome.
Man, I really want to take some trades on gold, but goddamn, it's moving so much. It's like fluctuating like 10 pips in just like 2 seconds. It's like, damn, well, it gets stopped out too easily.
On a tick chart?
Yeah.
Damn, you said, but not as good as you, wow.
Oh, damn. I like trading with my good friend Buddha. He tries to keep me calm, but man, I'm still trying to learn it.
Have I ever traded BTC USD? Oh yeah, in the beginning when I first started. Ryan, nothing major. Yep, nothing major.
Man.
Your bet is that it flushes when it hits the lows and then bounces. How many months or years for me to notice that I'm already consistently profitable trader? So I said I pretty much started 2016. So 2016 to 2018 was pretty much a waste. I wasted those 2 years. And then in 2018, that was when I actually got serious. So from 2018 to 2020 was pretty much me devoting my time, giving trading my attention. And within those 2 years, between 2018 and 2020, I was, seeing results here and there, but was not consistent. So then the consistency started in 2020. That was when the consistency started. What's my thought on good news? Good for the dollar. Yeah, since it was good for the dollar, you expect gold to drop. And when it comes to me getting God involved, it actually started in 2020. But then I got into, I've already talked about, how I went into pretty much covenant with him in 2021. So that was when I went into the covenant with him, 2021. And I still have not fulfilled my part. Man, I'm crazy. I better hurry up. There's a weekly low. If it breaks that, it will flush. Just your thought. I mean, we still got a flush to get to the weekly low, and it's still flushing. I'm not even gonna say expecting because this thing is just so bearish. I'm just hoping that we get a liquidity grab here below this low. Yeah. But this kind of looking like that might be the trade again, even though we took it down in London. But I haven't forgotten my promise and say it publicly. That's the most important thing. Yeah, that makes sense. I haven't. Okay, you guys are now asking private questions. Didi, you right. What is my confirmation to enter for a trade? I'm pretty sure you've been watching me for a while, Ryan. And based on my entries that you've seen, what do you see? What did you see? Oh, just because I said YouTube was quiet. Am I solely relying on price structure or with mixed fundamental as well? So I'll say this. I'm not a fundamental trader at all. Like when it comes to the fundamental part of trading, I'm the wrong person to come to. So mine is purely technicals. Purely technicals. That's it. Fundamentals, nah. I'm the wrong person for that. So we got 30 more minutes until NYSC.
Damn.
What happened?
I wanted to buy the low just now, but I was like, I don't know. I don't trust it, and it just fucking flew up like 70 pips. 80, 90. What the heck?
Let's see NY session, what happens. Yep. It's like Nas wants to just keep, slowly crawling up here.
We'll see about that once NYSE opens. Might just like fucking rocket up there.
Yep.
This market.
Yeah, I just checked NQ. We just gotta wait until NYSE open. We got 25 minutes. Uh, So the webinar that we moved to Friday, actually gonna start today, and I don't think I can do that morning because I have I've been up all night, so I can't do it in the morning. So it will still be Friday, but I'm gonna move it to 6. That will give me some time to sleep.
Six your time, King, yeah?
Yes. I'm gonna add
What
it.
time?
I'm going to add it to the calendar on school. Actually, let me see if I can do it now. I have no volume at all. Alright guys, so if you guys go to the calendar on school, it should be there now. Look at NASDAQ. Yep. Oh, cute a bit. We're actually on YouTube. I'm giving them an FP and CPI days free. Yeah, I think we're gonna watch now. We're gonna watch NQ. XAU set for sale, but I sell. I stop loss. Man, as of right now, I'm not looking to sell anywhere but here as of right now. Well, you see here?
Yep.
Please take over for me. I'll be right back, guys. Gotta use the restroom. Got 13 more minutes before NYSC open.
Yeah, now it's just looking good. If you ballsy, you would sell it already when it got up that high there. Whoops. But now, if it comes back to retest that high, it doesn't even look good to sell it again because now you got NYSC super close. And it's not actually breaking any structure to the downside now, it's just grinding higher. When I was a member, you showed me order flow one morning and I traded gold. You might want to check out a trading concept that fits your style. Type 20 to 52,000 trade. Is that type that on YouTube, you mean? Let's see. $20 to 52,000. Man, I'm seeing like videos that are probably scams. It's like turn $20 into $52,000. How to grow your $20 Forex account to $52,000. It's like, I don't know, that sounds a bit of sus. Little bit of sus. But hey, I did get a last month, yeah. Last month I did get a absolute banger trade on NAS with my tight stop loss and whatnot.
How many pips? How many?
I secured like 400 something pips on NAS with a tight stop loss, so it was like
Is that 400 like from 18,800 to 18,400? Is that the count?
Sorry, say that again?
Sorry, you say 400 pips. Is that like 18,800 to 18,400?
Yes.
Okay, just wanted to check.
Yeah. It went up like 600 pips, but that was like I took the trade. It finally went in my direction, started making like higher highs. So I put the break even, went to sleep, woke up, and it's like, oh dear Lord, I'm up like, I think when I woke up it was like up 65 grand, but it went up like 600 pips. So it was in the 100 grand area.
All that money in your account, wow. Share. No, well done. Well. Congratulations.
Thank you. The funny thing is I had also a gold swing trade which went like 990 pips, but I took profit along the way because obviously I was awake during this time, so taking profit, and it made like slightly less than the NAS trade, which I got like good amount of money. So it's like the moment you start taking partials along the way, it cuts that trade profit really fast.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I'm bad at moving my stocks, which is a bad thing at times. Yeah, because when I do, it goes, takes you out and etc.
Yeah. The thing is, you can't really move your stop loss until it like breaks. Let's say you're in a buy, it has to break a high, make a new support, break that high that it made, and then you can move your stop loss.
That's the correct way.
Yeah, but of course, it's easier said than done, right?
Yeah.
You see it move like, oh man, I'm like 50 pips in profit. Yeah, I want to go break even. I don't want to lose this trade anymore. But you have to, you have to deal with it if you really want to swing that trade for a large amount.
Yeah. Indeed.
Kalubi says that's why you need to know what you want when you enter a trade and wait until you get it. Yep. Have clear parameters, like targets and whatnot all set up, so you don't have to like wing it. If you're winging it, then it's not gonna work. Thanks, Jay Smith. Sorry, go ahead.
So I was just about to say, because sometimes, like, with regards to the news and fundamentals, you could move, TPs and stuff, So.
Yeah, I agree. Like gold, it's like so many thought like, oh yeah, we're gonna get 3,000. It went way past 3,000, right?
And now with Trump yesterday, or whatever it was, shaking up the markets. Oh my God, Trump got his whisk out. His belt. There's all sorts going on in the world now because of like retaliation tariffs.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's what I'm like seeing on the like news and stuff. It's like China hit back with like 34% tariff and just blah blah blah.
Canada hit back. Oh gosh, I don't give a damn. You just get out there.
Yeah.
It's nice for a trader though, isn't it? Really, because we're getting some movement in the market. So.
Honestly, I don't like it.
Oh, really?
I'm a little bit hesitant to take trades because the volatility is so high, so high. Like I wanted to take the gold trade for the buy against the low just now, like earlier, and man, it went up. What? Like I wanted to get in at 89.5 on gold futures, so it went up like 170 pips. Never came back. But I was like, oh my god, there's no way my tight stop loss is gonna handle this. It's gonna, like take me out and then go and stuff. Because it's moving so quickly. It's like moving 10 pips every couple seconds. And it's like, oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's hard. It's crazy.
I think it's moving more crazy than NAS right now.
They're just as bad as each other. But yeah, I mean, yeah, gold will tell you it's buying and it's going to sell. Tell you it's selling and it's going to buy.
Yeah.
It's difficult.
Yeah, stop losses are epic at the moment. And most people find NAS difficult to trade already. So if gold's like doing this kind of stuff, it's like, yikes.
I've had fun with NAS yesterday. Really, lots of fun.
Oh, nice.
Lots of tips. And this morning I went for a run. Yes, I'm not going to look at the market at all till after the news. And I came back and I logged into you guys. You was in a sale on NAS. And I thought, you know what? I think I'm going to jump in on this.
Yeah, it actually gave a better entry up higher.
Yeah, by the time I got there as well.
You sold NAS full margin. Wait, let me see. Where's NAS? Oh, my goodness. I actually did sell NAS as well at 18,240, but I already closed it out.
I've got a selling at 18.4 something. 18.400. And let it run.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
Also, I'm trading small size today because, like, man, I don't want to do anything stupid and get blown out.
This one is on a small account where the leverage is so small that you can hardly even put trades on. It takes forever to get to the target.
You sold NAS full margin? Damn.
What's that full margin? 10%? Or what? A whole lot? Jesus Christ. It's all relative, isn't it?
Man, if you're in that NAS trade, I hope you took some partials as it was coming down because, man, NYSE is about to open up, man.
Oh yeah, true. Let's have a look. What time is it? Okay.
Also, from the high of that move to where it is like right now, that's 100 pips. That's how volatile it is.
Yeah.
So I guess from the low to the high of this move is what? Jesus, it's like 600 pips. My God. You did good. Good.
And I see open.
Today's Friday. Yeah. That's really nice.
It's coming back up. Retest the highs.
This 15-minute demand doesn't look so bad now. You sold gold? Okay. I'm surprised you sold right there, killed a bit. Oh, you out now? Oh, okay. Five-minute supply where? Oh, this this right here. Because NAS is so bearish, this could turn out to be a lower high. But I would like to say I'm sticking with the buys since we pretty much grab liquidity below this below the previous weekly support. And we could get sales from this supply or up there. So what we're pretty much anticipating here is possible gap fill here. And if we go to the 4-hour, for example, we could go all the way back up to these highs again. And then if we can have another massive sell-off. Have you ever tried build options? Wow. Do we even have that in the options? Oh, Wall is ticking away right now. He's focused. I forgot. Oh man, I didn't even realize I was on mute. You in this hour?
Yes.
Yep, I figured.
Okay, I'm out. Jesus Christ, that's like 100 pip, just like that. Oh, Gilby got a sell on gold. Win. Very nice. Very nice.
Ooh. Man, if we do take buys from here, we're looking at this thing is super volatile. You gotta be kidding me right now. Man, 720? 720 ticks. Man, that's freaking 180 on Forex. We come down to the 5.
Order filled.
Well, I'm in this. I am in this trade. Man, I go sleep. Was 720? I don't even know. Mm. Mm. Don't like that candle closer at all. We'll see how it goes. Mm. Why is this thing not moving? Are you freaking kidding me right now? Who's trading top step right now? My top step is not moving at all. Are you freaking kidding me right now? That's 50%. Wait a minute, did they close me out? This thing is not moving. Oh, there we go.
Order filled.
Oh, I got what I needed from this top step account. Yep, this top step account. I only needed 3K to pass it, and it's done. Alright. I got 50% from this. See if we're gonna get 1-to-1. Yes, G. Smith. That's all I've been getting. Stack them on top of it. Just keep stacking. I get to 5. YouTube, how many of you secured already? See gold going for that weekly low. Yeah, the weekly low is down here at 30.36. Except if you're trading Forex, I don't know where it's at on Forex. Damn. Did I close? No. On one Top Step account though, I closed because I only need 3K to pass it, and I closed at 3,080. So this one is passed, but I'm still in my account and Alpha Futures.
Saying that I was selling
Gold. Oh, oh, absolutely.
Huh?
and
Yeah. Secure, would you go? All right. That means you've been stopped out. That was like 90 pips on Forex. 360 ticks on futures. I'm just expecting to see at least this gap fill. Hopefully NQ would agree with me here, because this thing is so bearish. Sticking to my analysis, so we'll see. You got anything from this wall, or you didn't?
No, I'm just watching.
Is Pi here? Probably. Oh no, he's not.
Oh, Okay.
After London is like, man, FNY.
Hello?
Yeah? Oh. I think that was Anna.
Hello? Oh, can you hear me? Can people hear me?
Yeah,
Yep.
Hello?
we can hear you.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, sure.
And if you look at the 15 minutes candle, I don't know, I'm watching as the US 500, isn't that a engulfing candle?
This
Like,
previous
it
15
looks
minute,
quite bearish.
this,
15 minutes. And not the NASDAQ is what do you call it? Yes.
oh, yes. Oh,
Sorry,
so let's see, yes. So what do you want me to look at?
is that a bearish? Look, the next, this 15 minutes candle, isn't that like a bearish engulfing?
So this bearish engulfed the previous bearish, but this bullish
yeah.
candle did not engulf the bearish candle.
So is this not a bearish sign?
Is it not a what?
Is this not a bearish sign?
Bearish sign? I mean, looking at ES, if I'm going to take a sell on ES, for me personally, I'm going to wait for this low to be taken out.
Oh, okay. But if I look at this candle, I decided not to buy. Is that a correct decision? Because the last 15 minutes was inside the previous 15 minutes, so it's like seller is still quite strong compared to buyer.
I mean, if I'm looking at this on the 15-minute, based off how I take my trades on the 15-minute, then of course I'll still be weighted. I probably will take it above the resistance. Yeah,
okay.
But
okay, just to confirm.
Yeah, on the 5, yeah, I would have been in the buys on the 5.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Sorry, my English not so good.
No, it's okay.
Okay, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Also, when you look at ES, which is US 500, it can give you hints on what NASDAQ is doing, or NASDAQ can give you hints on what ES is doing.
Yeah, that's what
They're
I'm
pretty
doing
much doing the same thing now.
You look at the ES, it's quite weak.
Yeah, it looks like a bearish setup.
Mm.
Ooh. Today of all days, that's when Nas decided not to be aggressive. Man. Should have taken my 50% and call it a Friday. Shit, spoke too soon. Friday as well. Mm. That 4 hour does not look good. Well, if this low does not hold, we're gonna break this weekly support. Yep, if it breaks this low, it's gonna break this week, that weekly support, because now it's created this high, a lower high. This is still the major low though. But if it breaks and close below this, man, we wanna come down and break this major low and continue.
Oh, ES already broke.
Why did you have to tell me?
Sorry. But yeah, it's a good point that Anna. It was a good point that Anna brought up about ES, because sometimes if you can't tell what one is doing, you look at the other, he might tell you that it's actually bullish while the other one's ranging, so then you are more inclined to go with the buys. But yeah, ES, you had the sell set up on ES, and NASDAQ looked like it's ranging, and now it's gonna get dragged down by ES.
By ES, yeah. Well.
Where's the stop loss? 44. 44. Oof, man.
So Friday, I should have taken my profit at that 50.
Ricky said it won't break down until the Powell speech. Hopefully, hopefully.
The Powell speech is not until an hour. We still got an hour. And it's close to the stop loss. Huh? But nah.
No, looks like one slower. Shit.
Yeah. Alright. If you close at 50%, well, good job. You didn't lose. You didn't about to lose. Like, man, you're not stressing. Okay, well. Yep, that's my trading week.
Wait, it didn't get you, right?
It didn't get me. Well, it almost got me. Huh. This should have actually stopped me out, but I'm still in.
Oh my god.
If this was 4S, it would have stopped me out for sure. It'll still be a green day for me, but man, I really expected it to go up and fill this gap and reject the supply here. But maybe we're not ready for the gap fill yet. Oh man, if you're in this with me, we might survive. Ah, damn it. I spoke too soon. Do I not move the SL to B? No, I don't. I don't move the SL. I just leave it for 1-to-1. I don't move it. The last trading day in December, that was when I stopped doing that last year. I haven't done that this year though. Oh, I take that back. Done it maybe twice this year, and that was because we were just in that trade for freaking so long. Then I moved it to B. Aside from that, I don't. I just leave it there, 1-to-1. That would be crazy if we survive this.
Man, I'm looking at it and it should have tagged your stop loss by like a tick.
We did it. It's still there. Oh. Oh, it's at 19. No, it's at 19. It's 17, 943.75.
Jeez.
Oh. But the crazy part is this week actually tapped it. But I'm still in.
Oh, so it never filled you.
Yeah, never feared it. The beauty of future, yes. Hmm. It kind of tapped the 5 minute. Kind of. Do I go 1-to-1 in London as well? Yes. London, New York, 1-to-1. Yeah. Yes, Edwin, I talked about it earlier. If you go on school, take a look at the calendar.
Should have paid attention, Edwin. Probably too busy chatting away with Gideon. What happened? You guys take a trade?
I don't think Gideon will take any trade like here. Probably will be looking to buy now. That's if he's not in buys already. Oh, we're not the same anymore. Mm. If he crosses this previous bottom wick, bullish candle bottom wick, he'll stop me out. Mm.
Oh shit, it's coming back.
Yeah, he's probably gonna do it. Man, it looked so good right here when it was going up. I was so like, yeah, this is gonna go up. And then, shit. I was like, yeah, we're going back up to that supply. And then this bullshit.
Oh man, looks man. ES,
I don't even
it's
want
teetering on the edge of trying to break.
the major low or this
Yeah, the major.
down here?
Yeah, he's trying.
Oh man. That's not good. What the hell? Oh. Still within that 5 minute. They put the AS and NAS actually look the same.
Nah, it looks more bearish.
I mean, now the both pretty much at the lows.
If I was looking at ES, I would take that sell setup.
This one or this one?
Yeah, that one, yeah.
I mean, you took it on NAS, didn't you?
Oh, but that was like on the left-hand side. ES would be on the right-hand side, pullback.
Oh.
And also, I was just like selling the resistance high. Oh, shit.
That's what we're gonna do. It's coming from my stop loss. Uh-oh.
Ah, looks bad. I mean, your stop loss can't be in a better place. I mean, it's at the low of the candle, so.
It's right at the low of that candle. It's gonna get me. Oh, damn.
Order cancelled.
Bastard got me. Well, now we could actually go up. Anyways. That's my fault for not taking it at 50% since it's Friday. Well, those of you that took your money at 50%, well, congrats. Well, for me, I'm about to go cry now.
Don't cry, King. Don't cry. Fine.
I'm about to go cry for not taking my money and running. All right. Well, enjoy your weekend, guys. I will see you guys next week. Next week should be good. NFP is over. So, God bless. See you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Alright, guys. I'm gonna see you guys later tonight. For me here for the webinar.
All right. Thanks, Ed.
Alright, guys. See you guys later.
Take care.
You too.
you